Let's sing along.
Hola everybody and welcome back on Let's Sing Along. And today I'm going to tell you a rhyme about two little dicky birds. So let's sing along. So, one thumb, two thumb. Come on. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. And you know what? We can teach opposites with this rhyme also. So I'll show you how. Two little dicky birds sitting on a stick. One named slow, one named quick. Fly away slow, fly away quick. Come back slow and come back quick. I hope you like it.